Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of what many consider to be the best 798,653 carburetor available on the market. This carburetor kit by LIYYOO is designed for Briggs & Stratton engines. Known for its compatibility with various models including 698,860, 791,077, and more. It comes bundled with essential components like air filters, spark plugs, and more, making it a comprehensive tune-up solution. Users report significant improvements in engine performance, citing smoother starts and better fuel efficiency. This is crucial for anyone looking to extend the life of their lawnmower or similar equipment. LIYYOO backs their product with excellent customer service, promising quick resolutions to any issues you might encounter. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for a reliable carburetor upgrade for your Briggs & Stratton engine, look no further than the LIYYOO 798,653 carburetor kit. It combines ease of installation, top-notch performance, and comprehensive compatibility, making it a standout choice for any lawnmower enthusiast. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy mowing!